Have you ever tried unlocking your phone with your fingerprint and suddenly it stops working at the worst possible moment? Imagine you are in a hurry and your phone just refuses to recognize you. This is a very common issue many users face, and today I will explain why this happens and how you can fix it safely. Before you panic and think your phone is damaged permanently, understand that most fingerprint issues are temporary and caused by small mistakes or system glitches. Ignoring this problem or trying random risky fixes from the internet can make things worse. Disclaimer: this content does not represent any official partnership or endorsement from the respective platform. It is intended solely for informational purposes. Actual reason: the fingerprint sensor not working error usually happens due to multiple reasons. Sometimes your finger may be wet, dirty, or oily, which prevents proper scanning. Sometimes the sensor itself has dust or moisture, especially if your phone shows messages like debris or moisture detected. Another major reason is software bugs after updates or system lag, which can temporarily disable biometric features. In some cases, your saved fingerprints may become corrupted or outdated if your skin condition changes, like dryness, cuts, or swelling. Even screen protectors or covers can interfere with fingerprint accuracy, especially in side-mounted or under-display sensors. Lastly, hardware damage, though rare, can also be a cause if the phone has been dropped or exposed to water. Safe solution: start with the simplest fix. Clean your finger and the fingerprint sensor properly using a dry cloth, then try unlocking again. If it still does not work, restart your phone, as this clears temporary system glitches. Next, go to settings. Remove all saved fingerprints and add them again carefully, making sure your finger is clean and properly placed from different angles. If you are using a thick screen protector, try removing it or replacing it with a compatible one. Also check for system updates and install the latest version, because many bugs get fixed in updates. If the problem continues, turn off fingerprint unlock and turn it on again after a few minutes. In case your phone shows moisture warning, keep it in a dry place and avoid charging until the moisture disappears. If nothing works, then it might be a hardware issue and you should visit an authorized service center instead of trying risky repairs. This problem may feel serious, but in most cases it is easily fixable with simple steps. Just follow these safe solutions and your fingerprint sensor should start working normally again, saving you time and frustration.